Hello everyone, happy Valentine's Day to all of you and hope you have a great and happy Valentine's Day today. In today's video is I want to show you how we celebrate a Valentine's Day with my family. We planned yesterday to go eat outside but we did not go because I'm not feeling well. I have a cough and cold. So that I decided to cook here in the house for our special dinner. And I bought 2 kilos of large fish to grill because this is my husband's request. So I already put a seasoning to the fish. This is a salt, tomato, magic sarap, onion, and garlic. For the taste better, you know that more seasoning, more delicious. This is my youngest sister, the one of the twins, so that they want to help me for prepare our dinner. Then I wrap in the aluminum foil the fish so that it did not burn. So we need to cover in the aluminum foil. Then I already put on the fire charcoal. This is the charcoal who made my father because my father is the charcoal maker in the forest. Then we need to wait for about 10 to 15 minutes before turning down. And my husband, my father, and my uncle shot a alcoholic drink to get out of his tiredness, they said. I also softened what I bought like a chicken in intestine for fried later because this is my sister's request. Because they say that this is her favorite. So that her request is my command. Char. And my sisters also helped me to prepare our dinner. And the one of my sisters taking a video. She is on my photographer today. So this is the charcoal that my father's made. The chicken intestine I told you guys. I go unsoften for about 5 to 10 minutes so that later when I fry it's gonna already cook. Then the coconut oil is I will transfer it to the container because when I bought in the market, it's on the cellophane in the plastic. And I turned down the fish to cook the other side. But this is not already cooked because later I will cook again. So this one wearing a cap is my uncle, and this one who's not a t-shirt is my father. So it's already done after 10 minutes. As you can hear, guys, my voice is I don't know what happened to my voice because you know that I'm not feeling well. I have a cough and cold. That's why my voice is different. Then I just heat a pan to make up the needed to fry it later. I put it in the flour so that it's the nice. It's a nice result when it's done frying. Then I put it the oil on the heat pan. Then I put the first batch of frying. Then I turn on again the fish so that they already cooked done. The one of my sister is preparing the sauce for the grilled fish and the fried intestine of chicken intestine, so that it's already cooked, but I want to make it brown, golden brown like that, so that it's crispy. Then I prepare the bilao to put it the fish when it's already cooked, so that to make it nice looking, nice arranged like that. So it's already cooked. I'll get out to the fire charcoal, but I need to put it again to the fire charcoal. My sister, when she prepared the sauce, she want to introduce what he what she put to the sauce like that. So it is the second batch of frying of the chicken intestine. You know that this is our favorite. It's so crispy and just like a salty one. Then I'll put the another batch of chicken intestine. Then I will prepare the rice. It's that because Filipino is rice is life. Rice is gone, did not gone anymore. Put one whole of roasted chicken, guys. And it's already done. It's time for preparing our dishes. And this is that one I told you that I will grilled second for the second one. For the second time, I mean. It's because I want to the grilled fish, it's so like a brownish, like that brown. Because if you cover the foil, the result of the grilled fish is just like you cook it into the water, so that I will put it again to the fire to make it brownish, like that, brown. And especially thank you to the person who sponsor our Valentine's treat for my family. Thank you so much to my big brother, to my best ever big brother. Happy Valentine's to you, my dear big brother, and to your family. Hope your Valentine's enjoy and you are happy and enjoy the Valentine's. Then it's already for the second grilled. This is what the result I want. It's so brown like that or black. Just like a little born. That is the perfect grilled, guys. Oh, look at the result of the grilled fish. It's already, look at the grilled fish, guys. That's what I want to the result of grilled fish. You know that when I'm editing right now, I'm to make the voiceover, I'm hungry again to see the food what I prefer on Valentine's. And this is the result of fried intestine. So my youngest sister try it one to the how taste like, just like, so that all of the food is done preparing. So right now is I'm already gone. Look at my husband, guys, and my uncle and my father. This one is my husband who on the side. This one is my husband. They drink the one bottle of alcoholic drink. And it's time to eat. Let's eat, everyone, and happy Valentine's Day again. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoy my videos. So this is it for today's video. Everybody is full, so that I'm so thankful to the sponsor. Thank you so much, Big Brother.